Good morning, guys. Welcome to One Stack Fitness, and this is your host, Coach One Stack. Hey, we're at it again, and One Stack stands for there's only one standing ahead of Christ. Now, I want to thank you guys for joining in and joining this fitness channel because it's very near and dear to my heart. So I do want to show you guys how I eat and how I drink and how I live from the ground on up so that you can have your own body transformation. Because like I said, guys, it's not about weight loss. It's about how we look in our clothes and how we feel in our clothes. And a huge part of that is our eating. Now, yesterday, you saw we made a video about how much water you should be drinking. Yeah, kind of funny. I guess you guys thought I was going to be talking about the gym and lifting weights and all that kind of stuff. See, that's only 10% of everything. So I got to give you the meat and potatoes right now. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video because it's going to definitely be informative and give you some news you can use. Now, the thing is, what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple protein shake, something that I drink 3 times a day. It takes the place of 3 meals because you should be having anywhere from 4 to 6 very small meals that contain carbohydrates and it contains protein in them. So today I'm going to show you guys, man, how I make my protein shake, what I make it with, and boom, I'm going to be drinking it, and I'm going to tell you the importance of having your protein. And we'll start doing that right now. But for right now, let me go ahead and break off for a minute and make my shake. I'm a little thirsty, and I'm going to tell you guys what it's going to do for you. I'll be right back. What I'm going to do now, we're going to enjoy this protein shake. I already showed you how to make it, and it's actually pretty dang good. Let's go ahead. Cheers, mate. You can knock it back. You do not have to use almond milk. You can use water because the object is to cut as much sugar out of your diet as possible. So you can definitely use water if you want to. You can use almond milk. They have many different flavors. I don't care about the flavored almond milk. You got to have some fun in life. Don't deny yourself because what you'll do is you'll set yourself up for failure if you start denying yourself a bunch of stuff. So, just ease into this thing. Rome was not built overnight. And that's pretty good. You guys know what I'm saying? I feel like a Kool-Aid kid. So now, I've just showed you guys how to make a nice, healthy protein shake, something that's going to help build your muscle while you are on your 1-year transformation journey from being however your body looks to how you want it to look. Can you dig that? But first of all, you have to make it that way in your mind first. So now, I've got my protein. Now, it's time for me to go get my second meal of the day in a few minutes. But other than that, guys, hey man, I'm bringing you this good content. Like the content, share it, subscribe to the channel because we're gonna get very personal on this page. I hope you guys enjoy the video and have a nice day. Okay guys, we're back now for our protein shake. We don't want to show the brand, but hey, what I like to do is I like to start off with 50 grams of protein for my shake. I'm not the one to put all the peanut butter in it, all the berries and all that because that ain't nothing but a bunch of sugar. At the end of the day, you guys are not being able to transform your body because of all the sugar that you're taking into your body. So what we're gonna do is, man, we got some unflavored almond milk here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour us about 10 ounces of that, okay? We're gonna pour about 10 ounces of almond milk. Boom, 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 boom. All right, that's about 10 ounces, guys. Got about 10 ounces of almond milk. Now, normally I would use about 8 ounces of almond milk. That's if I was just using 1 scoop of protein. Because now this stuff right here, this bad boy, this is what makes those muscles grow. This is what burns that fat up off of you. This is what keeps that blood sugar level the way that it needs to be. So now normally, as you see, it has a really big scooper, okay? Has a really big scooper. So normally, I would just take one of these. One scoop of this is 25 grams of protein. And the thing is, if you're in this, if you're trying to transform your body, you should be eating roughly 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Actually, it's 0.8 grams of protein per body weight, but I like to say 1 gram of one gram of protein per body weight. So now, throughout my day, I need just over 200. And I'm gonna get 50 just with this shake. So boom, we got 1 scoop. That's 50 grams right there. Boom. My bad, that's 25 grams. And boom, that's another 25 grams. 25 is 50. It does not matter what type of, well, all I'm gonna let you guys know is, because they're not sponsoring me, this is just a whey protein. You have whey protein isolate, you have whey protein, you have casein protein, all of which moves throughout your bloodstream a little bit differently. You know, classic whey protein hits your bloodstream very, very quickly to spike that blood sugar level, especially when you're tired from the gym, and to give you that extra boost. Also, guys, with your protein shakes, when you find yourself hungry in the middle of the night, when you need a snack, when you're ready to go grab that Snickers bar, when you're ready to go eat those donuts and ho-hos and all that kind of stuff, hey man, make your protein shake. And all you gotta do is, as you see, we're gonna shake it up real quick. See, all this stuff can be done on the go while you're at work. So guys, whether you're sitting at home, you know, being a stay-at-home worker, a stay-at-home mom, you've never been to the gym, you never leave the house, you can definitely eat right, because this is 90% of getting your body